In this video, I'll guide you through how to access Google Cloud Storage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Google Cloud Console and how to open your storage buckets so you can start working with your data. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud Console. The console is the main web dashboard where you manage all of your Google Cloud resources, including storage, compute, networking, and more. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to your cloud project. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're using the right one because the storage buckets you expect to see are tied to a specific project and account. Once the console loads, take a moment to look around the top bar. Near the top left corner, you'll see what's called the navigation menu. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. This menu is your main entry point to all of Google Cloud services. Go ahead and click that navigation menu. When you do, a side panel will slide out from the left. This panel contains a long list of services organized into categories. Depending on your screen size and your permissions, you might see more or fewer options, but the process will be the same. In this panel, you're looking for cloud storage. It's usually listed under the storage section. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the menu or use the search box at the top of the navigation drawer and type cloud storage. As soon as you see cloud storage in the results or in the list, click it to continue. Clicking cloud storage takes you to the cloud storage section of the console. This is where all of your object storage is managed. At this point, make sure you have the correct project selected at the very top of the page. There's a project selector near the header. If you're not seeing the buckets you expect, it's often because the project is set to the wrong one. Open the project selector, choose the right project, and wait for the page to refresh. Within the cloud storage section, you'll see a tab or page labeled Buckets. This is the main view where all your storage buckets for the selected project are listed. If you're not automatically taken to it, look for the Buckets option and open it. Once you're on the Buckets page, you should see a table that lists each bucket by name, along with details like location, storage class, and when it was created. To access the contents of a specific bucket, simply click its name. That will open the bucket and show you the objects stored inside, which can include folders, files, and other data. From here, you can upload new files, download existing ones, organize them into folders, or adjust settings such as permissions and lifecycle rules depending on your role and access level. So to recap, in a natural flow, you open the Google Cloud Console, click the navigation menu, select cloud storage, and then open buckets to see and access your storage containers. Once you're comfortable with this path, it becomes second nature, and you'll be able to jump into your data in just a few clicks whenever you need it.